Hey guys, wanna know how to download the BeFunky app in your mobile? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So first up, open up your phone, and for Android, go to Play Store. And once you're there, just hit towards the search bar right here. And on the top, just simply search for BeFunky. Now once you've done it, the first page should appear as Photo Editor by BeFunky. You can simply click on it for more details or just click Install. And after a while, your installation should begin. And after your installation is done, just simply click Open, that is right here. And there you have it. Your BeFunky has been installed successfully and now you can enjoy photo editing. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.